Hi everyone. Are you struggling to implement reliability-centered maintenance because you need buy-in from people? Well, if that's the case, I have a solution for you, and we're going to take our lead from these gorgeous daffodils. Daffodils are my all-time favorite flower. I'm a sucker for them. Number one, because they look so happy. And number two, you can always rely on them. At the same time, every year, the daffodils come up. And there is a technique that you can rely on to get the buy-in you need from management and other people within your organization to implement reliability-centered maintenance. And it is this. See, I think we've got a negotiation problem on our hands. We know that as human beings, we don't do anything without a reason to do it. So, if you are, for example, a reliability engineer, and you know you want to implement reliability-centered maintenance to improve your reliability, but you're having a hard time getting people on board, maybe it's because you're posing the process and you're talking about the technical aspects of the process, instead of speaking the other person's language. What do I mean by that? Let's just say, for example, you're trying to get management on board because you're trying to get funding to implement RCM. Well, get out of your own head and get into the head of the person you're trying to influence. What are they thinking about? You may be thinking, oh my gosh, I got to get out of reactive mode here. I've got to get better reliability out of my machines. But someone in management, well, they're probably thinking in terms of dollars. How much money is it going to save? How is it going to improve production, for example? So there you have it. If you're struggling to get buy-in for reliability-centered maintenance, or any reliability improvement effort for that matter, get out of your own head and get into the mind of the people that you're trying to influence, that you're trying to get on board, and start speaking in their language. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.